We got it. You guys ready to unbox this thing? I gotta give a special shout out to Fabspeed because they have just been like put through the ringer with me. I've been going back and forth with them and I can't tell her what I spent on this. They did a really good job packaging this cold air intake. Just saying. There's so much bubble wrap in here and wow. We'll pretty much open all this stuff up here in a second. And I'll just go ahead and tell you, I will probably do a video after this one with the solar throttle bodies and the controller that comes with it. It doesn't come with it, but it complements the solar throttle bodies. This thing doesn't weigh anything, by the way. And they do a great job of making sure it gets protected. So I normally don't unwrap stuff until I'm ready to install it, because I don't want to get damaged, obviously. But figured, hey, gotta do it for the tube. Yeah, there it is. Look at that guy. That looks so good. And I do know that, so this does come off. I am going to pull this off because I think there's like a yellow sticker that you can put here versus the red. Since my car is mostly yellow, the accents. But yeah, there it is. Yeah, I'll definitely upgrade this in the future. Here's where your mass airflow sensors are going to go. And they already provide some, looks to be torque screws. This is just the inlet with some other parts in here. I don't have to open this right now, but you guys can pretty much tell what's in there. Nothing really to see. And when I do my install video, you'll see everything pretty much undone. And then this is the hardware to mount the intake. This is, again, they do a good job. Like, look at the type of bags they can do. Like, you can reuse some of this stuff. And so you can see this better. Yeah, this is really nice. Thank you, Fabspeed, for getting this out to me. If you do want to purchase any of these things, check out their website. Here's the other bracket here. And this sits below, and I think that this is what the intake mounts to as well. And what is this? Oh yeah, so you also have these are just mounting plates. Now we have the solar throttle bodies. This is from Fabspeed, special shout out. These guys were super helpful with this. The good news here is I also got another package today, but I'm still waiting on one more. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the cold air intake with these throttle body upgrades, and we're gonna do some testing with that. So here's a side-by-side comparison. This is probably one of the easiest upgrades you can do. And yeah, these are ported. They do have an 87mm. So if you would like to purchase these, be sure to check out Fabspeed's website. They have these, the Eventuri, and of course they have the best exhaust systems on the market, made in America. Now, just really quickly, here's some of the benefits here of throttle bodies. I think that if you're someone looking for the cheapest upgrade for your Corvette, this is it right here. You will instantly notice a difference. I'm speaking from experience now. One thing I like about it is self-cleaning. And the lower weight to power ratio is really phenomenal. I really think that it's one of the best upgrades that you can actually feel. Now granted, I did have it installed with the cold air intake, but I know for a fact that this probably made the biggest difference with that performance. Now I'm going to show you guys a little later in this video the DLX Bluetooth throttle controller. Now this is something else that Fabspeed recommended to me, and they said that the throttle bodies plus this go hand in hand. So I strongly recommend, if you are looking to get the throttle bodies, you might as well go ahead and get this too. And you guys see right here, there is the throttle controller. Now here's a few things I want to mention really quickly.
This is one of the reasons why I chose to get this upgrade. It does have a fail-safe built into the system. Now, obviously, the one thing I do want to test out is reverse with the throttle controller to see if it's really aggressive, because sometimes some throttle controllers do not revert back to stock settings when you're in reverse, and you could have a really trigger happy throttle response when you put it in reverse. So I do want to test that out. Now, I do have a race trailer. I do know this has a valet mode, and I wonder if that will help a little bit, because one thing I notice is when you just have the throttle bodies, when you're going to load the car into the trailer, it's really hard to get a good read on the throttle position. So the throttle controller really does come in handy for things that you don't even think about. So if you're someone loading a car in a trailer, having this throttle body, having the throttle controller will probably work really well with loading your trailer like in valet mode. So I will do some videos around that too. So again, just be sure to subscribe to the channel. But I want you guys to understand something. Warranty safe modification. This is very dependent on your dealership. If you're planning to take your car to dealership, just have a conversation with the service manager or a good service writer team lead. That way, if you mention that you have this upgrade before you take your car in for service, and they're like, no, we don't, if you have upgrades, it's going to void your warranty. That way, before you go to the dealership, you could just take this out before you check your car in. It's not that hard to just take these things off. The throttle bodies, I don't think no one would even know you have them. But this right here, I don't know, I would be very leery on this upgrade. So just be mindful of this if you do plan on taking your car in for service.